Okay, so which kind of features are going to provide your Python? You can see simple and readable syntax. Okay, means you can easily read, understand, and write to their syntax. Okay, syntax means it's grammar. Then interrupted interpreter language. Okay, interpreter means what? A line by line code it will be executed. Then object oriented programming language also we have inside. There are few programming language are there. There we don't have to the object oriented concept, isn't it? If you don't know that object oriented concept means what, you can put the real world entities inside of your computer, like the real world object, pen, paper, car, okay, the computer, projector, this real world thing you can put inside of your computer. That is we call as a object oriented programming, isn't it? There are a lot of things we have in a object oriented concept. You can see my C++ programming video where I teach the object oriented concept. In object oriented concept there are the six pillars are there important, like a classes, classes, object, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction, and the inheritance. So these are the major concept we have in the object oriented concept. So your object oriented concept also is supported by your Python programming language. Portable, you can use to the different Windows or different operating system, like a Windows, Linux, and different even I think so it is used in the Raspberry Pi also. Raspberry Pi we have the one device operating system, isn't it? So you can use over there also. Then open source, obviously anybody can go download freely from internet and they can start to their coding. Large standard library means you can get a lot of libraries from over there and you can do through the whatever the customer want. Then dynamically type means there are lot of things are there. Which one is dynamic? Like if you want to be declare the data types or anything, it is a dynamically understand which kind of data you are putting inside of the database. Okay, a database, not inside of your variable when you are declaring. Okay, easy to debug means you can easily rectify that where the error are there. Now advantage of the Python, obviously easy to learn, less coding, faster development, large community support, thousands of libraries are there, good documentation, and supports a multiple programming style. That is important, support a multiple programming style means even the Python you can attach with the different programming language. Right now if you see there are lot of advantage are there. Now what will be the disadvantage? So number one, if you can see the limitation with your Python, number one, slower than C and C++. C and C++ is a very fast programming language rather than Python. High memory use means if you are using something, then it is a lot of storage we want. Not ideal for the mobile development means you cannot able to make or it is not the good decision if you can apply the Python programming language for the mobile development. Apart from less suitable for the real-time system, than another one, performance is the lower for the some higher speed application. So this is the disadvantage we have. As per our version, we will be going to use the Python version 3 because this is the latest one. But previously we have to the Python 2 version also, which one is older version, no longer supported for your things. But right now we will going to use to the Python 3 latest version, recommended for the all new projects and use in this course also. So this is exactly the theory about your Python, which one I want to be discuss. Now after this one, let's start to the download our Python. Before that, what I'm going to do, I already have the Python in my computer. First I will be going to uninstall that. So how I can uninstall? I'm going to click in the search engine. I will be writing over here control panel, so I can get to the my control things. I can control my thing. Over here I have the programs, means my applications. I want to be uninstall. Let me click over here, uninstall a program. Okay, then after I want to be uninstall the Python. I think so I don't have the Python over here. That sounds good. So I do not need to be a download Python because I don't have the Python. Okay, so that is good. Now let's go. Let me cancel these things. Now I will be going to open my browser so I can download. Okay, so over here you can see I have the over here one thing. What I will be going to do, I want to be a download Python. Okay, so I can say I'm just going to write over here in the search engine the Python. Okay, so when I write the Python in the Google, you can see the top one website is coming, a python.org or https www.python.org. Okay, so let me click over here. Welcome to the Python. Okay, now it will be taking you in this particular website. You need to just hover your mouse in the download section and then after see over here they are giving a Python version. Python 3.14.6. Let me click over here. It is started to their download. Okay, see over here they are saying that Python 3.14.6 AMD. So let me pause the video because I want to be a download this thing. So right now my Python is downloaded. Okay, when Python is downloaded, it is coming into the download folder, or you can directly download from over here also. So I will be going to click over here in the Python. Okay, so it is taking time, you can see. So install the Python 3.146 for the 64-bit purpose. So before you are going anything, see down, we need to click over here. See what is, I want to be check over here. See, I check my box, add the python.exe to path. Okay, means I want to be add to the environmental setup. If you did the previous year different programming language or the Java, you can understand you need to set the JDK path, isn't it? So over here you need to set your python.exe path. So that is path is important, you need to check over here. So environmental setup will be finished, and then you need to click over here install now. So let me click over here. It is take a very less time because the Python is not that much of the time taking installation. Okay, almost it will be going to finish. Let's see, it is not any hard setup. We are thinking, see, setup was successfully done. Simple, our setup is completed. Now I can close the thing. I don't want even my Chrome browser. I don't want even my whatever the notes I rotated. I don't want to even save. Okay, right now we are coming again back our home screen. Okay, now what you want to do if you want to be write the programming? Simple, you need to go in the search engine and search over here IDEL. Oh, sorry, I spell wrong. IDLE. What you need to be a spell over here? IDLE. You know what is a full form of IDLE? Integrated Development Learning Environment. Means you will be going to write a development, isn't it? You will be going to they will be going to provide you a learning development environment, isn't it? So you can able to develop over here. So let me click over here. Okay, now when you click that, you can see the a normal window is coming one. So this is the IDLE shell, means integrated development learning environment shell. Shell means what? You can directly communicate with your hardware part, isn't it? Like, or you can say that you can directly communicate with your kernel. Okay, now see over here why I'm saying that it is a higher level programming language and it is so easy. Because of, see, if I want to do to the calculation like 5 plus let me write over a 5 plus 6, and if I hit to the enter button, you can see the calculation is complete. So see how it's easy, how it's fast. That's why we are saying that a Python is a higher level programming language, and it is the interpreted means what? It is executing code line by line, isn't it? One line is complete and it is showing to the answer. Suppose I want to do something, a very big calculation, 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus whatever, 7 plus 8 plus minus 5 plus minus 3, enter. You can see the 21 answer. Very quickly the Python can calculate the things, and I do not need to write a lot of very big syntax, isn't it? If I want to print something, just I will be going to write print inside of the bracket, obviously the using by parenthesis, and I can say the hello space world, enter button. You can see the hello world is going to the print. So that is the magic of the Python. A Python, it's a very easy to write rather than other programming language, isn't it? It's easy to understand, easy to learn also, and easy to read also. Did you get it that? So that's why the Python is a powerful. We do not need to write a very big syntax or anything, and it is a very easy. Your process also will be happening, isn't it? So that is exactly I want to mean, sir, then we will going to write over here code. No guys, this is just the shell we have. Shell means it is a similar kind of your command prompt. We just writing to the a single command and the output is coming, right? But whenever we are making to the a project or something interesting code, we want a proper surface where we can write a more than 30, 40, or we can say 50 to 60 lines, isn't it? So we will stop over here. This is right now we understand basics about to the Python. In next class we will going to understand a next thing.